hello, my name is Laurencio, and let me show you how you can make a lot of money with this automatic and beautiful business. First of all, I want to tell you that if you don't want to invest any money, you don't need to invest any money, because you can build this business with zero money, and you can make a lot of money also. Let me show you and let me explain you. In this automatic business, we have many businesses, and one of them is BUILDERALL. And you can build this business without a BUILDERALL account if you don't want to have monthly fees, like I told you here. Make money without a BUILDERALL account, and you don't need to pay monthly fees. It's okay if you don't want to pay any monthly fees for BUILDERALL, but you can make also with a BUILDERALL account. But here is some monthly fees from BUILDERALL, because from BUILDERALL to BUILDERALL you must pay each month to have access to the platform. But doesn't matter, you can build with or without BUILDERALL. You can build it. Let me show you more information. BUILDERALL account is optional. If you have a BUILDERALL account, just use your ID. No need to be my referral. Keep your account active and make money with it. So if you have a BUILDERALL account, just use your ID. I don't need to be your sponsor in BUILDERALL. If you have already a BUILDERALL account, just use it. It's perfect. Make money with it because you pay the monthly fees. But if you don't have a BUILDERALL account and you don't want to use and have monthly fees for BUILDERALL, just use my ID. And my ID is this one. Let me explain one more time. If you have your ID from BUILDERALL, use it. If you don't have it, use it mine. Doesn't matter, because if you want to build this business, you must create a referral link, a special referral link. And to have this special referral link, you must put an BUILDERALL account, a BUILDERALL ID. So if you have it, put your ID. If you don't have it, put my ID. And if you want later to put your ID, to create an account later, you can delete my ID and put your new ID. Okay, but to start, you must put a BUILDERALL ID, or yours or mine, and then put yours. Doesn't matter. Let's continue. Optional if you don't have a BUILDERALL account, but you don't want to use but you want to use your own ID, but you don't have a BUILDERALL account, just create a new account using my referral link, and I give you support, and I'll transfer my funnel to BUILDERALL, which is a complete funnel with opt-in sales page and email sequencing campaign set already. Okay, so if you use your ID, use your ID. If you don't want to use your ID, use my ID. But if you want to use your ID, but you don't have an account, create a new account, and I will help you. If you want to need help for me, just text me on WhatsApp. This is my number on WhatsApp. Just write my number on WhatsApp, and I will answer to you, or email me. Send me an email here, or take all information from my website here. Okay, contact me and I'll help you. Let's start, because it's very easy, and I'll show you how to build this automatic business, this great business, without zero investment or the monthly fee for the BUILDERALL payments each month. Okay, I will close this one and I'll open my website. My website is this one. Okay, affiliateacademy.info. You must put your email address. I'll put my email address, and after I'll put my email address, I'll be redirect to this website. This website is here. Okay, this is the website. Let me close this one. Here is AJ, you all know him. And here it's a presentation. If you don't want to invest, let me show you zero money. Just click here. You can listen to the video. The video here is free, like you see, and click here. I have read and accept the terms and conditions. If you want something more than this one for $5, you can have it. I take it, and it's a lot of benefits there. But if you don't want it, just click without and click free access. Okay, you put your name, okay, your email address, and get free access. In next page, it's another sales page where you can pay only $7. But if you don't want to pay it, no worries. I told you that you will invest your money, and you can skip. But if you want to pay $7, I pay it, and it's okay. It's a lot of money. It's a great value for this money. So no thanks, agent Mark. Click here. After you click, it's another sales page. If you don't want to buy this one, no thanks. Click here. No thanks. Here's another sales page. If you don't want this one or this one, click here. No thanks. Here it's another page sale. If you don't want it, click here. No thanks. Okay, here it's a BUILDERALL presentation. Okay, you see here is a BUILDERALL presentation. Like you see, if you don't want, and if you have it, say no thanks. And you arrive here. You finish all the steps, and you are on the membership area. You paid zero money. Let me show you what value you receive here. First of all, it's the first video, the welcome video. You see, you have here some benefits, and here a video. Start here, and you must watch these steps. In first step, it's a welcome. It's a short video with AJ, 3 minutes video. You can watch it, of course. After this, you must go to step 1. On step one, it's another video for 1 minute. You can watch it, of course. And here, you can make your affiliate link. And also, you can click that. You can click right. You can here and open and go to the Facebook and join. Okay. But let me show you how to get your affiliate link, because if you click here, you will be redirected to warriorplus.com. Here in this website, you will take your referral link, but it's not the ecosystem link. It's only the link from Warrior Plus. You must have two information to have your own link. So you click here, you'll be redirected to Warrior Plus. You must create an account. It's very easy to create an account. And after you create your account, you will have AJ will show you how to create it, and your affiliate link is here. You will take this referral link, okay, and you put somewhere. You put. Let me show you. You add here. Let me create here a folder. Okay, I'll add here this one, and you'll receive your referral link from Warrior Plus. Now you can close this page and go to step 2. Click here, or you click here to step 2. It's the same thing. Here on step 2, it's some upgrade here. If you want to watch this video, you can watch it. But if you want to purchase something, you can purchase. Here it's some updates. You don't need to update them. But here at step 3, you must create. It's a builder presentation. He make a builder presentation for you. Let me show you. Okay.
So that's what's so cool about BuilderAll. The fact is they have all of these apps that people can.
Here is a builder presentation, and here people must click to have the referral link from BuilderAll and enroll in BuilderAll. If you don't want it, don't do it. If you have already a BuilderAll account, use your BuilderAll account, because when you want to generate your affiliate link, the real for this ecosystem referral link, you must click here, get your affiliate link here, and here after you click here. Here is a reminder if you don't know where to find it. Sorry. Here you must you must create your referral link. Okay, here is a reminder where you can find it. So here you must click here, and here you must enter your builder ID. If you have it, put it. If you don't have it, put my ID. Let me show you. Let me see where is my ID. Okay, this is my ID. I will add here. Okay, this is my ID. If you can use my ID only when you don't have your ID. And here is the link from Warrior Plus. Okay, you can have this one, or you can take it from here. Doesn't matter. It's the same link. So you add these two information, and now you must submit. And after you submit, here is the referral link that you can use it. You can use it to have this ecosystem, and when somebody let me add here. Okay. And when you enroll somebody, okay, and we close this page, and when you promote this funnel, and people buy something from that platform, let me show you, buy something from this and a lot of sale page. When people purchase something using that referral link that you have, each unique ID, you receive 50% from each sale. Okay, 50% from each sale. And when somebody it's here on step 3 and click here get a BuilderAll account, that person who use your referral link, this big link here, will be your referral on BuilderAll if you use your ID. But for this you must pay the monthly fee for BuilderAll. But if you don't want to pay the monthly fee, use my ID and I will receive the referral from that from BuilderAll, and you receive the rest of the sales that were Mark and AG do on that platform, because are a lot of page that can sell the first, the second, the third, and so on. It's a lot of sales page. I'll show you more. And when somebody purchases something, you receive 50% commission from each sale without a BuilderAll account. But in this situation, you have zero investment. And let's say you want after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months to have a BuilderAll account, all you can make is to go here one more time, cookie tool. Okay, you will take your ID. You put here your Warrior Plus referral link, and here you'll add your own ID from BuilderAll. Let's say 6895556. Okay, this is your new BuilderAll account, and you click submit, and you'll take the new referral link. And now, because you have also a BuilderAll account, you can use this one. Okay, let's continue. Step 4. After you have your account, your ID, your referral link, integrate with a BuilderAll ID, you can go here on step 4 and done for you Google clicks. What means that? Means that here is the explication, but long story short, when you click here, you can purchase some clicks directly from them, and they have a lot of emails from Google and contacts and leads. And all you can do here, yes, I want Google traffic, and go down and make some sales. So let me show you. You want to purchase some clicks. Let me show you the clicks. You pay us the $6 and you purchase us the clicks. That means also the person click on your website. Okay, this referral link, and also the people see your referral link, and you have big chances to sell them if you have $100. But if you don't have it, no worries, because here this is only few information, but here you have a lot of information like free Facebook training, get free leads from Facebook, brand yourself and post. It's a lot of information. Get free leads from Facebook, insane Facebook, and so on. And all you can do is to promote your special and unique link with Warrior Plus and BuilderAll ID. And here is a lot of information extra. Here it's another information, another sales page where you or others can purchase and you can make a lot of money. Here it's another bonus live with another guy, how I made $1 million. You can watch this page also. Okay, and it's a lot of information, bonus build and so on. It's a lot of information. All you can do is to create your free account without invest any money, like I show you on the beginning, and promote it. You can promote it with traffic from them, or you can use another method to promote it. But your investment is $0. And after this, when you have money, and if you want to have your builder account, you can create your builder account to receive more commissions. And the last information that I want to tell you, which is the most important information, you will have this business with zero investment, and you will have 50% from each sale. But if you want to have 100% commission from each sale, you must upgrade your membership from 0 to 100 per month. And when you upgrade from 0 to $100 per month, your commissions will not be 50% anymore, will be 100% your profit. I forgot to tell you something. If you go here and you go to the step number 2, you have here this video, and here you have some page sales. You can watch from each one, but this is the most important page sale, which I highly recommend it also. What is here, what you'll find here, so you can watch one of these. Okay, you can open and watch. Here is upsell for $7, here is the upsell for $17, and so on. And this is another one. But here, the big one that I highly recommend it is this one to watch here. Watch this video, and here you will find all the information. Here you have this package. This is for $99.7 per month, and here for almost $500 per year. I recommend you to take this one or this one. Why I recommend this package for you? Because when you have this package, and when you pay each month $97, you will receive 100% from each sale that I show you here. This one, or this one also. So when you have somebody in your team which paid this $7 or this $70 or this $67, or they paid this package, you receive 100% from this package. 100%. Let me show you. You pay 100, let's say 100 per month, and if you have 10 people, you have $100 per month from 10 people. The same here also. If somebody watches this package and you have 10 people, you have 100% commission. Only if you have this package or this package. But if you don't have this package or this package, it's not a problem, because I told you the investiture is 0. And if you don't have none of this package, it's not a problem, but you will not receive 100%. You receive only 50% from each sale. Okay, 50%. 50% from $97, 50% from $500, or 50% from $7, or 50% from $70, or 50% from $67. Okay, I hope I was clear with this information, because I didn't know if I was very clear when I present the information, because here at step 2 I jump and I redirect you directly to this tool to show you how to create your referral ID. Okay, that's all. Go to my website, I told you before, and that's all. Let's make a lot of money, because you will find 100%. You'll find people who want to pay this money or this money. Okay, or that. Go to my website, put your email address, and start this business with 0 money. Laurencio was my name, and I hope I give you a lot of value. Bye bye, and let's make a lot of money. Let's grow together. Bye bye.